That's my best friend. That's my best friend.
Hello guys, my name is JonyBonzello and how are you all? This is my second unboxing and it's a big one. This is the unboxing of iPhone 11 Pro. As some of you guys know that my last phone was iPhone 7. It's right over here. So as some of you guys know, this phone had some issues and the mic and stuff was not really good in this phone. So I changed it. This is the new phone that I have right now, and today I'm going to unbox this phone. This is a iPhone 11 Pro Space Gray. It's 256 GB, as you can see. Here it is, iPhone 11 Pro Space Gray. And this is not the 12 Pro, although 12 Pro is here, but the, the box of 12 is very small because there is no charger and there is no headphones and earphones and anything included. But here it is. I'm gonna throw it over there. Ah, this is iPhone 11 Pro. But first of all, let's check what comes inside the box. So here's the box. It's a regular box from like 6 to 7 years. So here we see some instructions. Hello from Apple and some stickers from Apple. I'm not gonna use this, but it's nice to have them. And here is in the box is the 18-watt charger, which is now discontinued because there are no chargers in iPhone 12, and so I'm just gonna unbox this charger. Previously, I had the 5-watt charger, which was included in the iPhone 7 box, and it comes with the Type C cable. This is the normal earpiece. No, 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 not the AirPods. This is the normal wired AirPods. Just gonna open this. They are not the best quality earphones, but it is better than the ones you can get for like 100 rupees or something. These are the earphones. I put them on the side, and this is the cable that is for the charger. Type C to Lightning cable. This is the Type C, and this is the Lightning. This is like for your phone over here like this, and this is for your charger. I'm just gonna plug it in. This is Type C part. So I'm gonna plug this into the charger like that, so I can charge my phone now. And now it's time to open the phone. Let's go. Here it is, iPhone. Alright, so I've just finished setting this up, and setting up the phone was very uh, very easy because it just said that put your older iPhone just next to it, and it did the job for me. My face, and there you go. Here's the Face ID, and there is no home button as you can see. But my home button didn't work in this phone, so it didn't even matter that much. So here they are, iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 7 side by side. So it is jet black by the way, and this is space gray. And you notice this is the glass on the back. There is glass on the back, and it's frosted glass. And this is not glass. This is a metal back, and as you can see, it's a fingerprint magnet. And this is definitely not fingerprint magnet, although sides are made of stainless steel and they are fingerprint magnets, and the screen now, okay, there are fingerprints everywhere right now. So this is the, and it's frosted glass, so see, you cannot like scratch it by accident, so that's really good. And the camera bump is a bump. Like in the video, it's like a, it's the thing, you can see that it looks like it's engraved, but it's not, it's a bump. You can see here, it's a bump like that. And it does wobble a little on the floor, but so I guess that's it for the unboxing video for iPhone 11. And I will make a review on this, maybe if you guys want, I will make a review. Let me know down in the comments below that should I make a review on this phone or not, and if I should, let me know when. Right, so this is it for today's video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.